In the heart of the African wilderness, Lawrence Anthony, known as the Elephant Whisperer, formed an extraordinary bond with wild elephants. Rescued from the brink of death, a traumatized herd found solace under his care. Over time, Anthony developed an unconventional method of communication, using gentle gestures and tones to interact with them. The most remarkable moment came after Anthony passed away in 2012. The herd, sensing his absence, embarked on a 12-hour trek to his house. They remained nearby for 2 days, mourning silently before retreating back into the wilderness. This poignant event highlights the depth of understanding and connection possible between humans and these majestic creatures.